That scared me. Oh, what
It's on fire.
No way, seriously?
The tape is like, stop.
Oh! Crap, that is, isn't it? Wait. Yeah, it's the hand sanitizer, see? Yeah. Wait. Oh! This is going too slow. It's gonna come back and blow up the can. Yeah, that's starting to scare me. Wait. See, none of the match heads are doing anything. Oh!
Light some more. Push them all to the back and then light it. Like, use that
Wait.
stick and push them to the back. Dude.
Yeah.
Use the stick and push it to the back.
Just wait.
Push them all to the back, and then light the stick and light them.
Got a light. The stick won't catch. Watch. See? See, it all mixed together and got too wet. Oh, here we go. There's the matches.
Light a match, Ed.
What do you think I'm trying to do? I just don't want the frickin' liquid lava, or the raining lava, to come down on me.
It hasn't rained yet.
It's right here is going to, right there. Oh, they all spilled. Here, wait.
You can pick it up.
No, I mean all the matches spilled.
Not all of them.
You can't freaking pick this thing up. There we go. Oh, hot.
Alright, now light the matches.
I can't. There's nothing to light them with. I mean, these are all freaking stuck together.
Look, it's raining. It's raining.
Cool. Wait.
Move. I want to see the rain. Raining fire. Stop. Dude, look, it looks awesome.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna make it right here also. Wait. Watch your weight. You gotta just put a little dent in it so there's more air pressure.
Dude, whoa, look at the smoke inside. Oh, it's not there anymore.
Oh, I can put my other lighter inside of that and that'll blow up.
Alright then. Just shove it in there real quick.
Okay, this is gonna shoot.
Just do it and then we'll back up.
That's freaking. No, seriously. We gotta take that thing out. That'll kill us. Quite literally.
Move. I want to see the flame. Try to get the match heads to light. They're not lighting.
Yeah, I know. Okay. They got too wet. They're not technically flammable anymore.
Hey, there they are.
Dude, look at this big glob. It's gonna start raining fire right here. I just gotta catch it on fire first. Is it raining fire yet?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, no.
Keep watching.
Do you want me to blow this thing up here? Wait, let me just get rid of most of the propane.
Holy crap, what was that? Dude, what was that? Holy crap, there's a huge glob missing now.
I think this is safe. Here, back up. And then zoom in. Oh, that was that. That was a match head or something. Or that was this. I really don't know how.
Move. That's a bit close. Dude, seriously.
Okay, once that thing opens up, there's gonna be like a big spurt, and it's gonna be like, it's gonna shoot inside of that.
Alright,
It's
I'll
gonna be
move
pretty
to the
intense.
right.
Wait.
Move out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way.
Or wait,
Out of the way.
I need a stick or something to poke it. Look here, watch. Gotta have. Here, wait. Let me move this thing.
It's gonna spurt open now.
Yeah, pretty soon anyway. Okay, here. It's melting through the plastic. Are you still recording? Yeah, 5 minutes. You're gonna have to speed this up a little bit. Oh, here. I know what to use to poke it.
You move.
Sorry.
Seriously, stop.
Blast shield.
Come on. Do something already. Dude, stop. No.
I mean, I want to start raining fire again.
Move out of the way. Move. Okay, push it to the edge then. And get out of the way. You're in the way of the camera.
Okay, wait. Okay, this is...
How is the lighter not melted through yet?
Oh, it is.
It's not melted through.
It's melting through.
Yeah, but it's not melted through.
Not yet. Okay, yeah, it's starting to... It's gonna do that pretty soon. Can catch on fire. Even though it's wet. Okay, that thing...
Move.
Yeah, it's melted through. I don't think there's any butane in there left.
Yeah, the lighter, you just cut the lighter in half. Alright, well, I guess that's the end of it.
Wait, no. Well, yeah, here, you can stop and you can start recording.